Okay, this is number 19 on the 2019 Math Counts Sprint Round. I'm just going to do this one problem, so it should be fairly quick, and it's a really cool problem. Now, here's what you need to know to be able to do the problem, and then I'll tell you a way to do it faster. I dropped my pen. It's a pen drop moment. This symbol could be anything. It could be a smiley face, it could be a heart, it could be anything. That symbol itself has no mathematical meaning whatsoever.
Question.
Yes?
What's the difference between the one with only one line through it and the one with two lines through it?
I'm getting there. The one with one line in it, again, is no special symbol. It doesn't mean anything in math. It's just a symbol.
It could be like a comma.
Right. Okay, I'm going to pause this because Yem is here. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
I want to know where my free range marker is.
All right, so Yema time's over. These are just there to say that this expression is matched with this equation here.
Yep.
So this crosshairs means that the 3 and the 4 are relating to this expression. So really, we're just saying that 3 blank 4, well, P comes first, right? So in this case,
Equals 4.
P is going to equal 3 and Q is going to equal 4 because it's order specific.
Yeah, oh, whoops, it says.
That's right. So what's written first is going to be written first there.
Yep.
So for this first part, it's 3 squared plus 4 squared, and we're taking the square root. Now, most of you at home will start thinking, oh, this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle.
I have no clue what that is.
There are some Pythagorean triples where,
We don't know what
I know,
that is.
we're getting there. So, but we don't need to know the Pythagorean triples. It just makes it possible for us to do it faster. So 3 squared is 9, plus 4 squared, well, that's 16. 9 plus 16 is 25, so the square root of 25 is 5.
Yay!
So 3 crosshair 4, when you plug it in, is just going to give you 5. And don't forget, we still have this. Same thing, 20 subtraction circle, 16. So this P is going to be 20. This Q is going to be 16. So we have square root of 20 squared, well, that's 400. I'm skipping around here, minus 16 squared is 256. 400 minus 256 is 144, so we have the square root of 144, which is 12. So right now we know we're talking about a 5, 12, 13 right triangle if you know your Pythagorean triples. So we know the answer is going to be 13. But you don't know the triple. If you don't know the triple,
Why is it 13?
if you don't know the triple,
Because 5, anything,
If-
12 doesn't really end up with 13.
if you don't know the triple, we can just plug this in, and this is the crosshair or the plus, so we can plug it into this expression. This time,
That equals 17.
P is 5, Q is 12. So we have the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared. So 5 squared is 25 plus 144. Well, that is 169. The square root of 169 is 13.
Oh, that makes sense.
So these little symbols,
Oh, I got it.
don't get caught up on what does that symbol mean. It doesn't mean anything. It relates to
Mother?
what we're talking about here. That's all.